Hi everyone, my name is Ashish, and this is the first video for my YouTube channel. And this video is more about the if you wanted to learn new skill in the development, how you going to do that. And there is one site called the roadmap.sh, and there we have the roadmap of the particular skill. If you complete the particular like a roadmap of the particular skills and topic, and you become the particular expertise on that skill. So when I was learning the coding and the development, I follow the same site. Here, this is the developer roadmap, and here we have the front end, back end, DevOps, and full stacks. So I'm going to click the front end, not a front end. I'm going to click the full stack. Then after we can check the front end. Okay, here we have the front end, then back end, then DevOps. Front end cover the like more about the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, NPM packages, and React and Tailwind. These are the basic things, but the React is like more DevOps. Here backend, and here we have the DevOps. But this is not enough to become the front-end engineer. You have to cover a lot more topic. So I click the front end. Here we have the front end. They're going to be the like a React, Vue.js, Angular. After that, more going to be the like a Next.js advanced topic in the okay. Same as the backend also. Database like a SQL, MongoDB that come to the database, Redis, and authentications. After completing the backend, then going to be like a DevOps, like a deployment, Kubernetes, Docker, this. And this is a video about the roadmap of the to learn the skill. When I was like same I told before in starting the video, and when I was learning the coding and the development, I follow the site. Like this is a great site to learn the any of the skills like in the development because we have the roadmap. We have to cover each topic by, and the end of that we become the expertise, not expertise, but we have a whole idea about the particular skill. And this video going to be upload my going to upload my YouTube channel. And yeah, if you like the video, hit the like button and thank you.